Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about my new and first PC in today's video. Today, we'll unbox my PC, and also talk about its specs. So let's go to the unboxing video. Okay, now let's first unbox the PC from the box in which I delivered it to my home. Then we'll unbox the PC. Okay guys, let's unbox my newest and first PC now. They also sent me a lollipop inside the PC. What's up, guys? I finally built my very first PC. And I'm so hyped about it. Let me show you the parts I went with and why I'm calling this my new beast. First off, we've got the Ryzen 5 7600X super fast. Handles gaming and streaming like a champ. For the motherboard, I picked the MSI B650S Wi-Fi. So I've got Wi-Fi built in and plenty of room to upgrade later. I threw in 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz. Yeah. It's lightning fast. For the graphics card, I'm rocking the MSI Ventus to XRTX 5060 with 8 GB of RAM. This thing is perfect for smooth 1080p and even 1440p gaming. Storage-wise, I've got a 2TB Crucial SSD for all my games and videos, and a 256 GB Lexar NVMe just for Windows and apps, so everything loads instantly. Powering it all is a 750W Gold PSU from MSI, which gives me plenty of juice for now and future upgrades. The whole setup is sitting inside a Deepcool CC 560 RGB case, because you know we gotta have that RGB glow. And to keep it all cool, I installed the MSI MAG CoreLiquid A13 214 cooler because no one wants their first PC to overheat. This rig is an absolute monster for my gaming, live streams, and content. I'm so proud of it. Let me know what you think, and if you change anything in this setup.